Get ready to be amazed. Some of the most watched animation videos on social media are racking up millions of views each. And here's the kicker. Those views are translating into serious cash for their creators. We're talking thousands of dollars rolling in from YouTube AdSense, TikTok's creator program, and big-name sponsorship deals. Stick animations in particular have become absolute crowd magnets when it comes to capturing attention and keeping audiences hooked. I mean, let's be real. Who hasn't watched at least one of these stick figure masterpieces? With only a handful of creators working this niche, there's almost no competition. And that's why they're dominating. Videos are so captivating, viewers can't even think about clicking away halfway through. Once you start, you're in for the ride. Before we dive into the good stuff, don't forget to smash that like button, share it with your friends, and most importantly, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more awesome content like this. Oh, and if you've got any crazy suggestions or you're stuck on something, drop it in the comments below. I'm here to help.
Why does it hurt when you bite your tongue by accident, but it doesn't hurt when you bite your tongue on purpose? And why are you biting your tongue right now?
Why did some people watch these videos repeatedly, which causes platforms like YouTube and TikTok to promote them to even larger audiences, earning creators more money? There are 3 types of these animations, but only one is completely free and easy to make. That's the one I'll show you today. We're going to create the free version of the stick figure animation, which is super simple and doesn't require any payment. Plus, you can make as many videos as you want. However, even though this video is short, missing or mixing up a step could result in something that doesn't make sense. So let's get started. Step 1. Head over to Adobe Express Animator by clicking the link in the description or going directly to the website. Make sure it has the correct logo, as other Adobe versions aren't free. Once you're there, click the plus icon and go to the Quick Actions tab. Scroll down until you find the Animate from Audio option and click on it. Now you'll be in the main workspace where we'll do the bulk of the work. Here, you can make a variety of characters talk, and there are many options. By selecting the category option, you can choose from emojis, animals, humans, stick figures, and even some quirky characters. But for today, we're focusing on the stick figure. Select the stick figure, then click on the background tab. You can choose a background for your character, either a solid color or a specific setting, like a classroom, desert, city, or even space. Let's go with the library. Next, click on Size and pick your preferred layout. Let's select YouTube. If you're opting for a portrait layout, remember that only color backgrounds are available for that format. Now, we'll need a free text-to-speech tool to generate the audio for your animation. There's a completely free website linked in the description. Simply sign up, pick any voice you like, and follow along as I do the same. Just use ChatGPT to generate jokes or anything of your choice, then copy and paste it at the text-to-speech OpenAI website. Next, head over to Adobe and open the designated tab. From there, select the audio file you just downloaded. Adobe will automatically combine them for you, free of charge, in just a minute or 2. The result is this fantastic video, and here it is.
Why don't some couples go to the gym? Because some relationships don't work out.
Okay, so now you can make it as long as you want and modify it to your liking. So therefore, this is the new and modern way of creating your very own sticky animations by simply using AI tools in under 30 minutes. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more content. Okay, see you in me next video.